Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today we are taking a look at a 2022 Jayco Precept Prestige Model 36H. Guys, this is the Jayco Precept Prestige 36H, which is a huge Class A gas motorhome that is perfect for full-time living in. Comes in at 38 feet 8 inches, and I love it. It has the biggest front windshield in the RV industry. Full body paint does come standard on this motorhome, and it does have the 7.3 liter V8. It is the Godzilla engine. That's 350 horsepower and 468 pound-feet of torque. You got these beautiful tires here, Michelin's 22.255-80 R22.5 with the shiny upgraded alloy rim. Coming on down the side here, we do got frameless windows, nice power awning with aluminum slam latch doors. Let's take a look at the inside. Now as you walk in, do a quick left 360 turn. Perfect. And you can see that this is definitely a gas motorhome that resembles a diesel motorhome with the size of it. Regular traditional cockpit area, 7.3 liter Ford engine. Right here, bunk over the cab, it holds 750 pounds. Right here we have not one but two theater sofas, okay, with an individual recliner, and they are both directly across from where the TV is. The TV's right here. It does lift up on a televator. We got awesome storage with daytime shades and privacy shades. This dinette also does drop down to make a bed, and the TV does raise all the way up. Right here we got pantry space with a fireplace that does produce heat from electricity. Nice solid surface countertop area, induction cooktop with a residential refrigerator. Look how big and awesome this bathroom is. It's huge, it's awesome. One of the biggest showers that I've seen, one-piece fiberglass, and that toilet is a prime pooping position. I love that. Right over here is the master bedroom with opposing slides. King size bed right here, and then right here, all this closet area. This is actually prepped for a stackable washer and dryer. Well guys, that's it. That's a quick little 2-minute tour of the Jayco Precept Prestige. If you guys know that this is a unit that you want to buy, awesome. Click that link down below. A member of our team will reach out to you and get you a phenomenal price. Or if you're interested in learning more about this, make sure you check out our review on it. We go through the whole thing. It's about 25 minutes long, tip to tip, and we show you all the features about this great motorhome. Just check out our YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you next time.